for the classroom Twitter feed assignment. So your task is to create a Twitter profile slide to introduce yourself to your classmates and teacher. Your profile will be in the class Twitter feed. So your classmates are going to see this slide, so please don't share anything that you feel is too personal or things that you don't want others to know. Delete all the instructions. When you complete this assignment, I should only see this slide from you. Then limit one slide per person, please. Okay, there are many people in this class, and so let's make sure we just stick to one slide. I will copy and put your slide into the class Twitter feed that you've submitted to the Dropbox. That way, no one can alter your work. Now, if you need to look at an example, you can always look at the example I created. Now, you'll see on the template I made that these are all circles. I don't want you to stress about that. I was just trying to make a template that looked very similar to what a Twitter profile looks like. But as you can see, even I struggled to make it a circle. So I just made these squares and put my profile picture up here. And so if you have social media, you can use your profile picture, or you can find a picture that you like of yourself. If you're feeling too shy to put a picture of yourself out there, just put something up there that represents you. Okay, so here's how to complete the assignment. The first thing you need to do is make a file and make a copy. Because without making a copy, you're not going to be able to complete the assignment. And if you are adamantly opposed to using Google Docs, you can always just file, download as, and download as a Microsoft PowerPoint and be able to do the same thing. Okay, so now you're going to go, the first thing you're going to do, delete that enter slide, and then you'll change this to your favorite color. To do that, you'll just go here, and then click this, and then blue's my favorite color, so I'm going to change that to blue. And then you'll go somewhere to get your profile pic and just hit copy and paste. And then you can just move it here, resize your information, resize your picture so it fits into the little box. And then my easy, once you got it there, you can just go boom, move it. Then hit copy and paste again. So now you've got that. So for here, I give you your instructions here. So you can tweet about how you're feeling about the new school year, one fun new thing you did this summer, and then what you would like to do after you graduate from high school. And then you will fill out your information. So what's your hometown? When did you join OHVA? And when's your birthday? And then under this following thing, this is kind of up to you. What do you follow, or what are your interests? So for example, on here, I put my favorite movie series, my favorite TV shows, and then I live in Cincinnati, and there's this place called Coffee Emporium that's fantastic. So I just kind of took the profile pictures from there, an image. You don't have to take profile images from social media. Just find them on Google. Image search on Google. It's not that you can just go to Google here and put in Star Wars, for example, and then put images, and you can find like pictures. You can even put Star Wars logo, for example. You don't have to go on social media if you don't want to. You can find your pictures on Google. So you'll just put a couple of your interests here, that pages you might like to follow if you're on social media or things you're interested in. And then once you're done with that, you'll submit to the classroom. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks.